Trust me, this is not what you think. This is very, very sacred plant. Definitely, this is not marijuana. This is gongura sour greens. But today, we're going to use an ingredient that comes from the opium plant, what we love to use in our Indian cooking. Yes, you can get arrested in Arab countries, but this mildly intoxicated chicken curry is very legal in India. These tiny seeds have the power to pull out any pain. We're going to make this chicken curry red. It'll slap your face even before sweat starts hitting on your face. We don't hide this curry from the kids. Entire family sits together and get high. What we call poppy seeds. They are a legal version of happy high. Today we're going to make the poppy seed chicken. So we use that poppy seed and coconut. I made a paste out of it. First, you got to add oil in a pan. Extract the aromatics from these spices like cinnamon, cardamom, the whole spices, along with black cumin. In this, add finely chopped onions. This is curry leaf. Just add some curry leaf on the side. Let these onions slightly brown. When the onions are slightly browned, add turmeric, lot of ginger garlic paste, whatever pains. Sometimes you may have muscle pain, sometimes you may have some other pains. Even if it is a breakup pain, poppy seeds work really wonders. So poppy seed and coconut paste in this. Mix all of this. After you cook this ginger garlic paste for a while, add chicken pieces. Add the beaten yogurt for this and let these chicken pieces cook till they are slightly soft. It has to cook in its own juices. That's when the real flavor will come out. This is one of the simplest dish. After the chicken is cooked, much of the moisture is also gone. In this, add some coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, and now this chilli powder. Now mix it. That's it. Keep cooking till rest of the moisture is gone and it is dry and some of the oil is coming out. Cook like this for 3 to 4 minutes and check the seasoning, and that's it. You have a perfect, tastiest poppy seed coconut chicken. Finish the dish by adding some chopped coriander. That's it. Ready to eat.